Hello guys, it's Cooking with a Jacker, and today we are making pepper soup. As you guys can see, I've already washed the chicken and we have put the peppers in and we have put in the cloves. Then, as you guys, well, hopefully do, add the crayfish, and then we add pepper soup spice. I'm not really doing the length, how you do it, but you can add the seasoning of your choice in there. For me, I have added the Maggi, and I've also put salt as well. Then I've put hot water so that it can make the soup, so it can make it soup. Then here I got a reasonable amount of plantain. I've cut the plantain and I have cut them into reasonable sized pieces. You can do them however you prefer, but for me I like them at least this kind of size, as you can see in the video. And then also I've checked. Now it's time to check on the soup. As I see, it is almost cooked, but we are going to be putting the plantains. Here we can add corn. It's optional, but I would like to add the corn. So here's me washing the corn. And then we'll add the corn into the pepper soup like I did the same with the plantains. And then this is optional, but I added fresh mint leaves from the sauce itself that I've grown in my garden, and it's optional if you want, but it's fine. Then I add them into the pepper soup for it to add like a little bit of flavour into the pepper soup that's not spicy. And then I kind of mix it into the soup a little bit so I can get all in there. And then this is the finished results of the pepper soup. You have the corn, the chicken, the plantain, and also the mint leaves in there. This is the finished results of the pepper soup. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It wasn't really cooking for a long time. I wouldn't say this is a long kind of soup that you would cook. Surprisingly, I already did it. It's pretty fast, but it depends on how skilled you are in the cooking. And then I have decided to add indomie into it, but it's optional as well. Then I'll add the pepper soup into it as well. It actually really tastes good. You guys should try. And then I've put corn. And now here is dinner served. Hope you guys subscribe for more tutorials.